Hi everyone, welcome to Mash Math. Today we are going to study from class 10, chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 3.2, question 6. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So what they are trying to tell us is equation is given to us, a linear equation they have given us. We have to write another linear equation such a way that if we have to plot the graph, we should get intersecting line and we should get parallel line and we should get coincident line. That means three equations we have to make for this given equation. So one is given, the second one that we have to make, and pair of linear equations, two equations together, when we plot we get intersecting line, then we have to make another equation for this. If for this, so which one will give us parallel line, and then we have to make third equation for this which will give us coincident line. So let's do it. It's very easy. You know the conditions for intersecting, parallel and coincident. So in the introduction part I have explained to you when I taught you the introduction for exercise 3.2. There I told you when equations are given to us, when we compare the ratio, this is the condition. So if this is the condition, we get the intersecting lines, and if this condition is fulfilled, we get coincident line, and if this is the condition, we get parallel line. So we will use these conditions only and we'll get the equations done. Okay, so let's do first for the intersecting line. So first given, so what is given is the given equation given to us is, that is 2x plus 3y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is given to us. Here we know that is a1 is 2, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 8. Okay, now for intersecting line, so let's prepare first for the intersecting line. Intersecting lines. For the intersecting lines, what is the condition? The condition is a1 upon a2 should not be equal to b1 upon b2. So if you learn the introduction properly, so that it becomes easy for you. So this is the condition for intersecting lines. So now let's see, compare and see. Here we have a1, so a1 is here, we have 2 here, so that means what should be a2 so that it doesn't become equal, and b1 is 3 we have here. So you can put any number so that it doesn't become equal, both will not become. So in the place of a2 we will put 5, and in the place of b2 we will put 2. So now it is not equal. You can put any number provided you see that they are not equal. So if this is the case, then for this purpose can we write down here. So here a1 we have taken, sorry, this is a2 because a1 we have here. So a2 we have taken 5 here, then b2 we have taken 2, and then c2 you can take any number because first two only we have to see it's not equal, no? So c2 you can take any number. So here we have minus 8, you can take minus 9, so no problem. So now you can write the equation for this. So here the one equation is given to us, so we have to use these numbers and write the equation. We have 5 here, so 5x, then we have 2 here, so you can write 2y, and we have minus 9 we have put for c2 equal to 0. This is our answer for first intersecting line, the equation that we have prepared. So now let's do for the second one. Not compulsory this should be the equation. You see to it that this condition is being fulfilled. Ratio you have to see doesn't match, so that only you can write down and make it a equation. So you can make your own. So next is for parallel lines. Next is for parallel lines. So what is the condition for parallel lines? condition for parallel lines. This should be equal, but this last one should not be equal. So that means A1 should be equal to A2. A1 upon A2 should be equal to B1 upon B2 and not equal to C1 upon C2. So now we have here A1 is 2, okay, and B1 is 3, then C1 is minus 8. So we have to write such a way that first two conditions should be fulfilling. So here 2 means let's write down 4 here, and here 3 is there, so let's write down 6. Now if you simplify, 1 times 2, 2 times 4. So 1 times 3, 2 times 6. So we have got it 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2. So both the conditions are fulfilled. And here you can put it minus 9. So minus get cancelled. But still it will not be equal to this, because 8 upon 9. This is not equal because this is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Here it is 8 upon 9. We cannot divide that. So we have taken A2 4. B2 we have taken 6. C2 minus 9. Anything you can take, provided you see that this condition is fulfilled. So now we can make the equation. So that is 4, we have taken A2, so 4x, this is 6y minus 9 equal to 0. This is for the parallel line equation. So now let's do for the coincident line. So for coincident lines. So what is the condition for the coincident lines? All three should be equal. So that is A1 upon A2 should be equal to B1 upon B2 equal to C1 upon C2. So here A1 is 2, B1 3 minus 8. So let's write down A1 is 2 equal to B1 was 3 and C1 was minus 8. So what shall we write here for the A2? Because all the conditions should be fulfilling, everything should be equal. So let's write down the multiple of this only. Here 4 will write, multiple of 3 will be 6 here. Multiple of 8 will be 16. Here minus is there, we'll write minus. So now you see, simplify and see, 1 times 2, 2 times 4, 1 times 3, 2 times 6, 1 times 8, 2 times 16. So now we are getting 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 2 equal to minus gets cancelled. So 1 upon 2. So all the conditions are fulfilled. So that means we have taken A2 we have taken 4, B2 we have taken 6. And C2 we have taken minus 16. So now we can write the equation. So 4x plus 6y then minus 16 equal to 0. So this is our answer for coincident line. That's it. Thank you. God bless.